Hello everyone, this is Alex from Senieer. Today we back out with another OEB video. Throughout this video, we are going to talk about benefits of occupational exposure banding. So let's get started. Occupational exposure banding offers a number of advantages, even though it is simply temporary fix for a larger problem. OEB encourages the number of organization on chemical dangerous that is already available, finding the information gaps. Additionally, compounds with OEB values D or E can be giving priority of further OEL study. Thanks for watching our video. You can subscribe our video. If you are interested in our content, you can watch our videos or you can look for more in our channel. Thank you.